Looking for a natural way to detox, glow, and feel amazing? Let me introduce you to Akayu Aloe Vera Ras, your daily Ayurvedic health tonic. Made from pure and natural aloe vera, Akayu Aloe Vera Ras helps flush out toxins. Aloe vera has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, known for its healing and restorative properties. With a rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Akayu Aloe Vera Ras not only aids digestion but also boosts your immune system, ensuring that you feel your best every day. Each bottle of Akayu Aloe Vera Ras is crafted with care, ensuring the finest quality. The product undergoes rigorous testing and adheres to stringent safety standards, giving you peace of mind with every drop. As you pour Akayu Aloe Vera Ras into a glass, you'll notice its smooth texture and refreshing taste, derived from the finest aloe vera plants. The drink is as enjoyable as it is beneficial, making it easy for you to incorporate into your daily routine. Why choose Akayu Aloe Vera Ras? It's not just about health, it's about embracing an Ayurvedic lifestyle. Aloe vera is celebrated for its ability to support glowing skin, enhance digestion, and increase overall wellness. Experience the difference with Akayu Aloe Vera Ras and start your journey towards a more vibrant, healthier you. Whether you're at work, home, or on the go, it's the perfect addition to your wellness arsenal. Detox, glow, and feel amazing naturally.